So delicious and yummy, my girls. May cinnamon for today. Sa mga gustong matuto, paano ko ginawa ito? Let's go. We will start to bake. Hello everyone! Welcome to my home cooking. For today's video, guys, we will make a cinnamon roll. So here is our ingredients for today. So, in mixing bowl, first we're gonna do is we will beat these 5 eggs. Okay, so this is about right. We will add 4.5 cups of fresh milk. And then 2.5 sugar. 2.5 cups. We will add half cup of olive oil and 1 cup of melted butter. Set aside muna natin siya. Then that is about ready. So we're gonna start now. So we will pour this one here slowly. So this is 14 cups. Okay, so this is about right, guys. We will raise up this for 1 hour. So we'll set aside. Let's set aside for this in 1 hour. So we will cover this in a cling wrap. Okay, so this is about right, guys. So set aside muna natin siya and we will continue our dough because our dough is already ready for mast. We will cut into 4 because this is a big size. Spread like that. So it's easily to roll our alright. So that is about right. So we will put that on top here, our inner topping. So we're gonna cut that depending on you guys, but mine, this is my prepare sizes that I need. So that is the first row what we have. So we're locking one. So just sit aside here and continue. So here's our second. Okay. The same thing. Ang gagawin natin, kaganyan lang yun siya. Sandaling-sandali lang natin siyang gawin. Ayan. Okay, so this is what we have in 14 cups. So, sit aside muna natin for 45 minutes bago natin siya ibibig, guys. Okay, after 45 minutes, ito na, ready na siya, guys. Tanggalan na natin siya ng plastic and preheat na rin yung oven natin ng 380 degrees. We will cook this for 18 minutes. Okay. Bake in 380 degrees. Alright. Okay, so let's proceed to make our topping. Kanina, inner topping yun. Ngayon naman, upper topping ng ating cinnamon. So, I have 2.5 cups na powdered sugar and 2 cups of butter. So, this is about right, guys. Set aside na lang natin siya. Go to your room. We're gonna put the toppings. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Right, guys, ito na yung finished product natin sa ating cinnamon. Look at that. Kung gaano kasarap yan. Yummy. May stock na naman akong panibagong cinnamon. Naubos na yung ginawa ko kasi. Kaya gumawa na naman ako ng panibago. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Sundan nyo lang ang video to mula sa umpisa hanggang dulo. Ilalagay ko din sa description box ko kung ano yung mga ingredients na ginamit ko dito. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to follow and share my video. And please comment down below, everyone.